Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to explain how to withdraw money from Weex to your bank account step by step. So let's dive in. Now, here's something important you need to know first. Weex does not support direct bank withdrawals. That means you can't send money straight from Weex to your bank. Instead, you'll need to use a crypto exchange like Coinbase, Binance, or any other platform that supports flat withdrawals. So, with that out of the way, let's talk about the process. First, go ahead and log into your VX account. And once you're logged in, you want to go to the top right corner and click on your profile icon. From here, you want to go and choose withdraw. Now, on this next page, all you have to do is just choose a cryptocurrency you want to withdraw. For example, Bitcoin or USDT. After that, select the correct network. Now, this part is actually very important. You want to make sure the network you choose on Weex matches the network used by your receiving exchange like Coinbase or Binance. Using the wrong network can result in lost funds. Now, after that, go ahead and copy the deposit address from your exchange account and paste it into the withdrawal address field on Weex. And then after that, enter the amount you want to withdraw. Then click next and complete the security steps to confirm the transaction. Once that's done, your crypto will be sent from Weex to your exchange wallet. And finally, just simply open your exchange app or website, and then from there, you can sell the crypto for a flat currency and then withdraw it directly to your linked bank account. So, to summarize, again, Weex to crypto exchange to your bank account. That's the only way to cash out right now. So, if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.